risks, benefits, and strategies. Hey everyone, welcome back to 𝐀𝐛�𝐿𝐴, where we decode the complex world of finance for you. Today, we're diving deep into the crypto market. It's a roller coaster out there, and we're here to guide you through it. Before we start, make sure to hit that like button, share this video, and subscribe to stay updated on all things finance. Don't forget the notification bell to never miss out on our insights. Understanding the risks. Let's begin with the risks of crypto investing. The crypto world is notorious for its extreme volatility. Even big players like Bitcoin and Ethereum see wild price swings. This volatility can be due to various factors, including global economic events and regulatory changes. Remember, what goes up can come crashing down just as quickly. Next, we talk about the regulatory environment. It's like the Wild West out there, with rules and regulations still forming across different countries. This uncertainty can significantly impact your crypto investments. Another major concern is security. From hacking threats to scams, the risks are numerous, especially with newer cryptos. And let's not forget the technical challenges. How you store your crypto can make or break your investment. Private wallets offer control but come with risks like losing your private keys. The bright side benefits of investing in crypto. Now, let's shift gears and look at the benefits. First up, decentralization and control. This is the heart of cryptocurrency. No central banks or traditional financial systems to control your money. Then there's accessibility and inclusiveness. Anyone with internet access can join the crypto space, opening doors for people who are usually left out of traditional banking. Efficiency in transactions *** is another big plus. Crypto can process transactions faster and cheaper, especially for international transfers. Don't forget the transparency and security offered by blockchain technology. Every transaction is recorded on a public ledger, ensuring transparency. And of course, there's the potential for high returns. While past performance isn't a guarantee of future results, crypto has been known to yield significant returns for early investors or those who bought in at market lows. Smart investment strategies for 2024. So how should you navigate this market? Here's our strategy rundown. 1. Diversification across crypto assets is key. Don't put all your eggs in one basket. Spread your investments from Bitcoin to rising stars like 𝐀𝐻𝐿𝐴 and Solana. 2. Comprehensive risk management. Understand your risk tolerance and use tools like stop-loss orders. This is crucial in managing the inherent risks in crypto trading. 3. Informed decision-making. Do your homework. Research each cryptocurrency's background, market trends, and technology. 4. And finally, utilize advanced tools. Use reputable crypto trading platforms with robust security and portfolio management tools. Track your investments with apps like Delta or Blockfolio. The crypto landscape in 2024 is filled with opportunities, but it's not without its risks. Your best defense is a good offense. Stay informed, stay cautious, and don't hesitate to seek expert advice. Share your thoughts and experiences in the comments below. Let's learn from each other. If you found this video helpful, give it a thumbs up, and share it with fellow crypto enthusiasts. And remember, subscribe for more insightful content. Until next time, stay savvy and keep investing smartly.